Hello everybody, my name is Wound, and today I'll be showing you how to speed up or slow down any part of a video in Premiere Pro. Now, first things first, you gotta open up whatever file or whatever piece of the video that you want to edit and make, quicker or slower. Right now I have one of my earlier videos that I quite enjoyed making, how to bake shape in TF2. You can check that out in the description or actually in the end card. So we'll get back to that, but right now I'll just go to the part which we want to speed up and slow down. So first things first, I'll just show you what the clip looks like normally so you can see how it looks after and before. Got him!
Triple kill.
Okay, that was a nice little 3K. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna try to slow it down, see more of the video. It's 60 FPS, so it's gonna look practically just as nice even if we slow it down. So what you gotta do, you gotta make a little bit of space over here. Luckily for me, I already deleted like half of the video. This is in a new file, I deleted half the video. But generally, all you're gonna have to do is you wanna push whatever is next to it to the side. Just push it to the side a little bit so you have a little bit of space to spread it out. If it's actually quickened or you want it to be faster and sped up, you don't have to have this extra space. Next step is cut whatever piece of the video you want to have sped up or slow down. Make it perfectly so it's the exact moment you want it to start, the exact moment you want to end. So in our case, or at least in my case, I'm gonna have it end at the end of the clip, and I'm gonna have it begin right about here. So then you make a cut. So this little box is what we're gonna edit with. This is what we want to be sped up or slowed down actually. That's the first example. Now all you have to do is click the R button on your keyboard, which is the default, or you can also click this, the rate stretch tool, which is defaulted R. So the easiest way is to use R. First thing you want to do once you have this enabled is you want to click on the piece of the video that you want sped up or slow down. Note that everything selected will be sped up or slowed down. I keep using that, it's a little bit repetitive, but whatever. All the bits that you have also selected, those are all going to be enabled. So if you don't want that, you can also just alt click one of them. First you gotta go back to the normal and then alt click one of them, and then that's how you speed up or slow down that specific part. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to select everything that's linked together, then you just click on this, use the rate stretch tool, and make sure you click on this so it's selected, and then you hold it and you can pull it out or pull it in, depending on if you want to stretch it out or speed it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch it out. As you can see, it's gonna be about double the length. I'll move this piece out of the way so it's not obtrusive. And yeah, let's see if this worked. And as you can see, it is being slowed down, the audio as well.
Got him.
And my voice too, wonderful. But the music down here wasn't because it was not selected. So that's how you speed it up. If you want to, you can do the exact same thing if you want to slow it down. So pretty much you just go back to R, just click R, and then click on this, make sure it's selected, and then you can push it in. So now let's see it as it's sped up. I don't know why you want to do this, but
Got him!
And once again, my voice sounding stupid again. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. That's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. You can use this anywhere in your video. Just make sure you selected the right amount of things, selected what you want. Make sure that you have this for a good bind as well. Make sure your rate stretch tool is an easy to use bind, because stretching things out and speeding them up are pretty important tools to use in any kind of video making. So yeah, that's how to speed up or slow down any part of your video in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or you're confused or something didn't work, don't forget to leave a comment. If you found my video informative or you liked it, don't forget to leave a like. And yeah, if you like me, don't forget to subscribe. I will see all you guys later. Thank you so much.